So, with the new update, the first event we have here is going to be McLaren 675 LT Championship. 4 days remaining, so once again, it's most likely going to be 5 days. But yeah, let's get this rolling. No reason to wait. Okay, take to the track in this striking style with this high performance sports car. Alright, looks good. And let's see. We get what, 70 gold? 56, 70 gold total. And you can complete all of them with 720 gold. Once again, that would be silly. And looks like there are going to be 18 tiers, or I guess, yeah, so 54 races to win. So every tier has 3 events. So without further ado, let's jump in with the first one, which is Hunter at Hockenheim Grand Prix circuit. And yada 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 yada, the usual message from Natalie for cars we're going after to win. Let's check out. Ooh, that's a long service time, isn't it? For a car in this class, that is. Alright. And then let's check out upgrades. What do we have for upgrades? Let's see, racing dollar and another racing dollar. I'm assuming the first round will all be racing dollars. That seems like pretty consistent for the most part. So it does look that way. Alright, so most likely they will require some sort of a PR requirement on some of the cup races. That's the way they've been kind of charging toll, if you will, if you want to win the car. So we'll get the racing dollar upgrades going right away, since it does take 8 hours and I'm not getting ads here for some reason. So yeah, that's going to be a bit of a problem. So let's get a move on this, because I would not want to spend gold to rush the upgrade if I can help it. Yeah, so by the time this first round of upgrades are done, this should give me a nice hefty boost on PR. But for the time being, let's check out some customization. Looks like we do get to pick out some different vinyls. Oh, 14 gold. Very McLaren orange, isn't it? And green, white. I actually like red. It looks good. And then, of course, factory vinyl does need to be removed, and they have taken away the Halloween vinyl pack since it is November. So, alright. The usual shapes. I don't think it really changed anything. Okay, a little bit brighter maybe. And then, of course, the usual rim options. and yeah, the right adjustment, right height adjustment I should say. Anyway, cool car. It's a Hunter. Shouldn't take too long. Looks like I already got a couple of the guys that are in my circle that have already won the car. My goodness, those guys are quick, aren't they? Alright, so target distance is going to be 241 behind the lead car. Should be pretty easy. I'll try to keep it close, because I get a feeling that I will be running many of these races in red. Close enough. And my initial thought on the way the car handles, it handles like a McLaren, which is a good thing. Yeah, so certainly I had plenty of chance to overtake the lead car, but I see no point. My goal here is to win the car with the least amount of resource invested into it. So as usual, we'll put upgrades per needed. So moving on to, I guess, the next Cub race at Brands Hatch. Alright, see you there.